Perfect Laser is a professional manufacturer of industrial inkjet printing machine. The model PF100B is a fast, reliable, non-contact inkjet printer. It contains time, expiry date, production code, barcode, two-dimensional code, consumption information, manufacturer's logo, product tracking information, and so on. It has many unique features. Number 1, the use of electric eye can guarantee the printing for products synchronously. Number 2, it consists of a chassis and a spring head, an electronic component, an ink system, a power supply, and a display screen in the box. Number 3, the ink circle system. The product and the spring cap are not in contact in the spray printing process. Number 4, professional software with a low power, highly integrated hardware modular circuit, and hydraulic system. Number 5, high quality for power supply and LCD key display screen. It has a simple operation interface. Welcome to cooperate with Perfect Laser. We are willing to be your best partner from now and forever.